Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change address on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So go to your admin panel and then go to settings and click on locations, and here you'll find all the locations you created on your account. To change any location, just click above the location and you can change the location name and scroll down, and now from this list you can select any country, can change the address, apartment, state, postcode, phone number. So this was the way we can change location or address on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.